Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Victoria. Make sure, first of all, just wanted to preface this, make sure that you, if you are new here, subscribe. If you have been watching my videos frequently, please subscribe. It means so much to me. Definitely want to hit a certain number before the end of the year this year, so yeah, just hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out on any of my uploads, because I promise I will be uploading videos a lot more frequently. Today I just filmed a vlog with my bestie. We went shopping and I was helping her decide on a new bag, and I'm pretty sure that we narrowed it down to a few special pieces, but that vlog is probably going to go up first, so if you missed it or if you haven't watched it yet, make sure you guys watch it. I will link it down below. It's a really good vlog. It definitely will give you guys a feel of what I purchased today and why. Also, this is kind of like not a collective haul. I bought these pieces within I'd say a couple days. I mean, we have Nordstrom. I went to Nordstrom and I went to Miniso. You guys know I love anything like stationery, anything cutesy, so that's definitely my jam. I love Miniso. They have lots of really cute stationery and, like, you know, just stuff that you need around the house. And then I got something at Louis. I had to do a pickup, so I just picked that up today. I purchased this, I'd say a couple days ago, and it already came in store, so I was like, okay, time to go to the mall and do some shopping. This is like my new cutie. I finally got my hands on her. I'm gonna do like an in-depth video on my new bag, but she's so cute. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna talk about that one in a separate video. So again, you guys have to subscribe so you guys don't miss out. We are gonna talk about Miniso because it's like the smallest stuff. So I went in there pretty much to get my dog Sky, my puppy, my English bulldog, my baby. I got her a little toy pig and she's already chewed it up, so there's really no point in me showing it. And I got her a new harness. She needed one, but I mainly went in there for her. Also, I really wanted a new makeup bag for my backpack because I just find that sometimes when you want to carry makeup with you in your bag, you definitely need just a really cute makeup bag, and you need a new one because makeup bags can get really gross really fast. So this one, I don't know if you guys care, but this is what it looks like. And it just says, what does it say? We bear bears, and it just has like donuts and ice cream. This was the cutest one that they had, so I got it. It was like $5, I think it was $5. Next thing that I got is this. So this is really good for the fridge. So if you are very forgetful like I am and you need to like pick something up at the store, you can just write it down on this little notepad, and it's so cute. It has like 3 penguins. You can put the date on it and you just rip them off as soon as you're done with them. And it has like this memo area where you can write notes. So I really just got this for the fridge. I just thought it was cute, and I really didn't get a lot here. So next thing I got is this really cute little pen. This pen was like $6 and it was at the checkout, but I was like, you know what, it's so cute. It has this like glitter inside with watermelons, and yeah, I really love cute pens. They really motivate me to like get any work that I have to do done. So yeah, just really cute pen, really nice color blue. They had other colors as well. They had like ones with strawberries in them and it was red. Definitely go to Miniso for all your stationery needs. Not sponsored obviously, but I wish it was sponsored because I spend way too much money here. They have so much cute stuff to choose from. I also got like this little piggy pen, but it's over there because I'm using it. The last thing that I got, okay guys, I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried this. It's called decoration tape, and I believe that this is a famous, not famous, but it's well known in like Japan and stuff. They use this like decoration tape, but pretty much what it is it's like a whiteout, but instead of whiteout, it's like this really cool star pattern. So I was thinking like when I do packages and stuff. When writing notes, it just makes things more fun. And yeah, so I got that, and apparently they're brand new, so make sure you go to Miniso and get these, because I'm sure that they'll sell out and you'll be sad you didn't get one. That's everything that I got from Miniso. So now I'm moving on to like the juicier stuff that you guys actually care about. Next place I went to is Nordstrom, and again, I'm looking for like a really cute makeup bag for my backpack. And I walked by Dior, and you know how they have those, I knew it was gonna be a free gift. So you know how they have those like free makeup pouches with a purchase? So I asked the guy and I was like, can I just buy this by itself? And of course he's like, no, you can't, because it's a free gift with purchase. So I had to buy something there, but good thing I needed a couple things, but this is what it looks like. It's really cute, and it just has like a little button closure. I don't know how long they're gonna have these at Nordstrom for, so if you want it, make sure that you go as soon as possible to pick one up, because they're really cute. It's like this really cute powdery baby pink color. I don't know how durable the material is though, because I feel like it'll get makeup all over it, but it's not like, you know, a crazy expensive bag. It was literally like a free gift. But onto what I ended up getting at Nordstrom, because they forced me to buy something in order to get this makeup bag. So stupid. I got this waterproof eyeliner. It's the crayon eyeliner, and it's in black. I've seen a lot of people, there's like this trend where you put the, well, HRH collection, Alex, she made it very popular. So you put like the liner here and then you wing it out. So that's why I got this crayon liner from Dior, because I'm like, you know what, it's Dior, it must work. I mean, all the packaging looks the same, so I'm gonna open it up. So, ooh, it actually comes with a crayon, or, oh my god, I'm so stupid. It comes with a pencil sharpener, and it says Dior on it. That's really cute. So here it is. So it has like the smudging side where you can, like, you know, smoke something out, or then you have the pencil side. I'm gonna try this out. You guys are probably gonna see in the next video that I post, I'm gonna do my makeup with this, and actually it's a really good size. I know when it comes to crayon liners, they're very small, and like, I don't know if it's just because it's like double-sided, that's why it makes it look longer, but there's actually a lot of product in this one, so I'm very excited to try this. The next thing that I got is this lip liner, which I haven't tried. I literally, whenever I film hauls, I never try anything. I always make sure to film the haul first, usually, at least when it comes to makeup, because I want everything to be nice in the packages. So I don't know why I'm like that. Someone help me. I swear I got a different color. This one's nude look. Ooh, and this one comes with a pencil sharpener too. That's dope. It has a lip liner on one side so you can line your lips. Obviously here's the color, which is very close to mine. I would use this one in the middle because it is lighter than the actual lip liner that I normally use, which you guys already know what color that I use. I love drugstore lip liners. They work just as well. I'm very excited to try this one because it's my first Dior lip liner. I really couldn't decide between these two lip maximizers, so I got both because he really sold me. Pretty much what he said was, oh, both of these just came back in stock and they fly off the shelves when we get them in stock. So I was like, okay, well, I wasn't sure which one I wanted exactly. I got 001 pink, which is like the lightest pink, and pretty much what these are, they're like lip gloss lip balms that, like, I guess have some plumping effect in them. So this is what this one looks like. Here's the color, and it's a really pretty sheer pink color. I got this one for the days that I don't want to put anything on my lips and I just want a little bit of pink, and I will definitely let you guys know how I like it. And then I got 012 Rosewood. Oh. No, he gave me the wrong one. Yeah, it's actually supposed to be the white one. That's annoying. I didn't want this one. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go back now and exchange it because I wanted the clear one that's like this. It's fine. Because the clear one's supposed to be like a lip balm. That's like a moisturizing lip balm. And I didn't want this one, but I think he got confused because he was telling me about the lip gloss that matched the lip liner. So I think he was confused, which is fine. They gave me this sample of the lipsticks. So it has Dior 8, Nude Look, Cherry, and Icon. And it comes with this little lip pencil, which is pretty cool. That's a pretty cool like sample. Like for it being a sample, it's so fancy. So we love that. And then he gave me a sample of the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara. And I don't really wear mascara by itself, but I do wear it before I put on any kind of falsies, just because you don't want any like setting powder on your eyelashes and then it messes with your falsies and it just looks crusty. Tip for you guys, always put on mascara before putting on falsies. Doesn't matter, it makes them mesh well together and it looks like your real lashes even more. So I definitely recommend doing that. But I'm excited to try this one out too. It's just like a little sample. I honestly don't remember the last time that I bought mascara, like a full-size mascara. All the mascaras that I use are samples. I mean, who buys mascara anymore? What the hell? So yeah, I got that, and this is the only thing that I wanted. Okay, people are being really loud outside. I'm sorry. But that's everything that I got from Dior. And then I had to pick this up at Louis Vuitton. Pretty much, I've seen girls style these, like not only on YouTube, but like on Instagram. And what it is the Nano Nichi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's what it is. And I'm pretty sure people are like rioting outside, so there's that. Okay, I need to close this. Shut up. Okay guys, so I just closed the door because people are really loud and really rude. But anyways, actually before I get into showing what I purchased, I'm gonna show you guys this necklace here. It is a custom that I designed. I'm gonna be dropping 3 of these very soon on my website, so make sure that you follow me at Dream and Via. It's a 14K curb chain with a blue sapphire bezel set heart, and I designed this one. I just like wearing my jewelry so that I know that it's in perfect condition before I sell it, and it's very wearable and easy to style, so I'm wearing that pearl necklace. But yeah, make sure that you guys follow me on Dream and Via because I have 2 drops every single week where I either list customs that I designed for sale or other things. So you guys can also check out my website. The link is in the bio. I also have this pink tourmaline chubby heart ring. This one's 14K, and I have 2 available on my website. I don't know if I'll have them available by the time that I upload this video. And that's what it looks like. This one's mine. This one's my personal collection one, and they're all different colors and so dope. I love them. I don't know if by the time, just check my website out. I might have this 14K shrimp ring with diamonds on it on my website available. If so, I'll link it down below. And shop my website. Everything's fine jewelry. Some pieces I designed myself and remaster, so it's pretty dope. And make sure that you guys check it out. But anyways, moving on to what I got from Louis Vuitton. They always wrap it up so nicely. Look how cute. and I don't know how I'm gonna rewrap that if I want to like do an actual unboxing. Pretty much what I'm planning on doing with this is, let me show you guys it first because it's so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is what it is. Louis Vuitton Nano Michi, and this is like a makeup bag for most people, or like for your vanity. It's really cute. But what I saw some, you know, bloggers, fashion bloggers use it for is actually as a bag. So pretty much what I did is I ordered 2 chains from Alex HRH collection, and she has these really dope chains that you can attach to bags. They're like gold chains, and I can wear this one crossbody. So as soon as I get them in, I will let you guys know how I like them, and I will show them on the bag as well. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So here's the inside. I saw, I don't know if it was in the States, but there was like a lipstick compartment, which I guess that they don't have in this one. But this one's made in Italy, which is always nice. It smells brand new, I guess. It smells like Louis Vuitton. Does anybody else smell their bags? I don't know. But the thing that I like most about Louis Vuitton's like monogram print is that as the years go by and the more that you wear it, the leather patinas and it looks like a vintage bag. So I love that when the leather darkens. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm super excited to style this one. Again, I'm gonna do a styling review when I get the chains in from HRH collection. I'm super excited. Love her, love Alex. She's the best. Pretty much how this would work is you would attach a chain onto these little slots here, and then, you know, wear it as a actual crossbody bag, which is going to be so cute. You guys know, well, I don't know if you guys know, but all my friends know that I love mini bags, and this one's definitely a mini bag. It's really roomy for a mini bag. Like, I have the mini Prada re-edition in pink, and it's definitely like half the size of this, so this is definitely a more roomy mini bag, which is always great. And yeah, I'm super excited. The only thing is with this one, the zipper is more hard to close, which I hope it's not going to be a pain when I'm in a rush to open this bag. But you could always, you know, put the zippers on one side, but I would personally just put them in the middle. Hopefully the zippers loosen up as I start to wear this bag more. But there's the bag, and here's the back. I saw this bag on this blogger girl, and I saw how she styled it, and I went to Louis Vuitton's website and they were sold out. So I literally checked back, I think it was like a couple hours later, and they were in stock. So if they are currently unavailable, make sure that you click the notify me tab or whatever, and they'll ask you for your email, and then as soon as it's in stock again, they'll email you. And pretty much what I did is I just checked the website a couple hours later and they had it, and you can just check out, and I picked this one up at the Louis Vuitton store. Here's my other mini bag. So they're about the same size. I wanted to keep this one for nights out and more special occasions. This one I'm definitely gonna wear more. It actually depends on how I like the zippers and if I can loosen them. I will keep you guys updated for sure. It's definitely a really cute like nightstand table or vanity bag for like display. It's so cute. They're really fairly priced compared to the other Louis Vuitton bags, and it's really not that small. So that's my haul, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And again, check out Dream and Via. I have an Instagram there as well for you guys. I'll put it right here. And I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next week, and love you. Bye.